One container is easy. 45 of them spread across a dozen machines at 3 in the morning is a completely different job. Your app is in a box now and that box works. It works so well that you ship it, people show up, and you need more of them. And that is where the real trouble starts. One container was easy. You started it yourself, you watched it, you knew its name. Now the shop needs 5, then 50, then 5,000 spread across 100 machines you have never logged into. It is 3 in the morning on a Sunday. Somewhere in that crowd, the container handling payments stops responding. Nothing dramatic, it just stops. Now answer honestly, who notices? You could notice, you could wake up, find the dead one among 5,000 and type docker run to replace it. That works exactly once. It does not work at 3 in the morning every night forever. Now the opposite problem. A video goes around and 10 times your normal traffic arrives in 10 minutes. 3 containers cannot serve it. Who creates 40 more right now? And when the wave passes, who takes them away again so you stop paying for them? Worse, a whole server dies. Not one container, every container on it, gone at once. Those workloads have to reappear somewhere healthy, and something has to decide where. And one more. Version 2 is ready. You do not want to stop everything, swap it, and start again while customers watch. You want the new version to replace the old one gradually. Who choreographs that across 100 machines? Look at those 4 problems together. A crash, a spike, a dead machine, a risky update. They are not 4 problems. They are one problem wearing 4 costumes. Something has to be watching all the time and acting when reality changes. Here is the picture that makes it click. Imagine an orchestra. Every musician is excellent. The violinist knows the violin. The drummer knows the drums. Nobody needs to be taught their instrument. But without someone at the front, you do not get music, you get noise. The conductor plays nothing. The conductor decides who comes in, when, and how loud. Your containers are the musicians. They know how to run your app. What has been missing is the conductor. That job has a name. Container orchestration means automatically managing containers across many machines, starting them, replacing them, moving them, scaling them, updating them. Not one machine, many. And the orchestrator most of the industry settled on is Kubernetes. Google open sourced it in 2014, built on what they had learned running containers at enormous scale. Everyone calls it K8s because there are 8 letters between the K and the S. Quick myth while we are here. Docker versus Kubernetes is not a fight. Docker packages your application into a container. Kubernetes manages a lot of those containers across a lot of machines. Docker hands you the box. Kubernetes runs the warehouse. So how does it actually work? Kubernetes offers you a bargain, and it is stranger than it first sounds. You stop giving instructions. Instead, you describe the result you want. Not start a container, now start another, now restart that one. Instead, simply keep 3 healthy copies of the shop running. That description is called the desired state, and writing it down is most of your job. From then on, Kubernetes runs a loop that never stops. Observe what is actually running, compare it with what you asked for, correct the difference, repeat forever every few seconds, whether or not you are awake. Watch it work. You asked for 3. Right now 3 are running, so there is nothing to do. Then 1 dies. Actual is 2. Desired is still 3. a gap. Controllers see the gap and start a replacement. Actual is 3 again. That closing of the gap has a name, reconciliation. It is the single most important idea in Kubernetes. So return to that Sunday night. The payment container stops. Nobody wakes up. A controller notices the gap within seconds and starts a replacement. You read about it on Monday if you read about it at all. But be careful what you promise yourself. Kubernetes replaces failed workloads. It does not debug your code. A crash loop caused by a bug will restart forever and stay broken. It does not build your software, and it does not remove the need to understand your own system. It closes gaps between what you asked for and what is running. That is all, and that is plenty. So, 3 things. A few containers are easy. A changing fleet needs a coordinator. That coordinator is Kubernetes, and it works by comparing the state you asked for against reality forever. Next time we open the box, pods, nodes, and the cluster that runs them. See you there.